Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show how to disable Chat Emoji Autoplay in Telegram. If those animated emojis feel distracting or just not your thing, this simple setting change will give you a calmer, cleaner chat experience. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your chats. Next, tap on the menu icon in the top corner. This is the three horizontal lines that open up Telegram's main options. From the menu, go ahead and tap on Settings. This is where you can control everything from notifications to chat appearance. Once you're inside Settings, look for Chat Settings and tap on it. This section is all about how your conversations look and behave. Now, scroll down a bit until you find the Animations option. Tap on it to access more detailed animation controls. Inside the Animations section, you'll see a category called Power Saving Options. Under this, tap on Animated Emoji to manage how emojis behave in your chats. Here's the important part. You'll find an option called Autoplay in Chat. By default, this is usually enabled, which is why emojis automatically animate when you receive or send them. Simply uncheck or turn off the Autoplay in Chat option. And that's it. Animated emojis will no longer play automatically in your chats, helping reduce distractions and even save a bit of battery life. If you ever want to turn it back on, just follow the same steps and enable the option again. That's all for this guide. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more Telegram tips and tricks to customize your experience even further.